Okay, now let us discuss question number 16. Question number 16 says, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So again, this question is very simple. This question is similar to question number 12. What you can see is question number 16. The given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on, and you need to check whether this minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. Okay, so what we will going to do, let nth term is equals to minus 150. Okay, that is Tn is equals to minus 150, and we will going to write a plus n minus 1 into d, because nth term, this is the formula for nth term. Now what is a for this arithmetic progression? A is equals to 11, and what is d? It is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. So minus 150 is equals to a is 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, so let us take this 11 from RHS to LHS, it will become minus 161 divided by 3 is equals to n minus 1, like this. This 11 will become minus 11, and minus 11 minus 150 is minus 161. So this is minus 3. So what you can see, this minus minus will get cancelled out, and n minus 1 is equals to 161 upon 3. So n will be equals to 164 upon 3. Now you can see the value of n is not a natural number. Since the value of n is not a natural number, I will say minus 150 cannot be a term of this AP. Okay, so our answer will be, since n is not a natural number, it implies minus 150 is not a term of AP. Okay, this is very simple question. It is very similar to question number 12. That's why I have written the solution. There is nothing to explain in this solution. Okay, so this is the solution for question number 16. Now let us solve question number 17. Question number 17 says, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So the question says, question number 17, it says find the 31st term of an AP, of some AP, there is some AP and whose 11th term is given as 38. So 11th term of this AP is given as 38. So what I can write, let A and D be the first term and common difference, okay, respectively. अब क्योंकि हमें AP नहीं पता कि AP एग्जैक्टली है क्या, तो हमने मान लिया कि फर्स्ट टर्म को हम A मान लेते हैं और कॉमन डिफरेंस को D ले लेते हैं. इट्स बिकॉज हमें उस AP का 11th टर्म दिया है. सो 11th टर्म का मतलब हुआ 11th टर्म इज इक्वल टू T11 और T11 कितना होगा, इट विल बी A प्लस 11 माइनस 1 इंटू डी. ओके, A plus 11 minus 1 into D, and T11 is given as 38. So you can see, relating these two, I can write 38 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1 is 10, A plus 10D. Okay, and let us say this is the first equation. Secondly, it is given that 16th term is 73. So 16th term 16th term का मतलब T16, it means A plus 16 minus 1 into D. Using the general term of an AP, the identity, the formula for general term of an AP, this is 16 minus 1 into D. So T16 is equals to कितना है 73. So इन दोनों को relate करेंगे and you will get 73 is equals to A plus 16 minus 1 is 15 D. Let us say this is the second equation. Now very easily subtract equation 2 and 1, subtract the 2 minus 1. So when you subtract the two equation, you will get A plus 15 D is equals to 73, and the second equation is A plus 10 D is equals to 38. Okay. Now when you subtract these two equations, this two A and A will get cancelled, and 15 minus 10 is 5 D, and what is this 73 minus 38? You can do one thing, add 2 to this 38, it will become 40. And how to get 73 from 40? How much I need to add? It is 33. So 33, that is what I need to add, and 2, that is because it is 38. So I will say 33 plus 2, that is 35. So this is equals to 35. Remember what you do when you go to a shop, and if you purchase a goods of 38, if you purchase some product on a shop for rupees 38, so how the shopkeeper will calculate? If you give him 73 rupees, how will he calculate to return how much money he should return to you? He will calculate from 38, then 2 rupees, it will become 40, then 33 rupees, it will become 73. So 2 plus 33, that is 35. It's a calculation technique. Okay. So from here you will get the value of D as 7. Now using the value of D, can I calculate the value of A? Yes, it's very easy. So D is equals to 7, and from this D, if I substitute this D is equals to 7 in this equation, it will become 38 minus 70. Okay, 7 into 10, 70. So 38 minus 70, that is 30 and 40, it will give you 40 and this, 38 and this, and you will get A is equals to minus 32. Okay, so you have the value of A, you have the value of D, now you can very easily calculate the 31st term. What the concept that will you use to calculate the 31st term? T31 will be equals to A plus 30 D. This is the concept that you need to apply to get the value of 31st term. So what we understood from this question is that in arithmetic progression, it is the most important thing to calculate the first term and common difference. Okay, if you don't have these two values, first you need to calculate this, then only you can proceed further. So this is the solution for question number 17. Let us now solve question number 18. So question number 18 says an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Okay, then find the 29th term. So we need to determine the 29th term. Question number 18. Now the given conditions are that AP has 50 terms. Okay, AP has 50 terms, and in this AP third term that is T3 is given as 12. Can I write this T3 equal to 12 is A plus 12 minus 1 into D, where A and D are the first term and common difference respectively. This is a general notation, so not every time I am going to write what is A and what is D. You need to understand it. Okay. So T3 is 12, which is A plus 12 minus 1D, and the last term is 106. Now if the AP has 50 terms and the last term, so what will be the last term? I will say 50th term is the last term. 50th term will be the last term of this AP. So 50th term is given as T50 is given as 106. Now can I write it as A plus 50 minus 1 into D? Okay, A plus 50 minus 1 into D. Now what is the next procedure? Just follow the same thing. Okay, just follow the same process. This is one equation, this is second equation. I need to calculate the value of A and D. Why I need to calculate the value of A and D? Because to calculate the 29th term, to calculate T29, it will be A plus 29 minus 1 into D. This will be 29th term. For this I require A and I require D. So let us first subtract these two values. So subtract T50 and T3. Subtract T50 and T3. T50, it is A plus 49D is equals to 106, and T3 is A plus, sorry, this is not 12, it will be 3. Okay, so this is 2D is equals to 12. So when you subtract this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, A and A will get cancelled. 49D minus 2D is 47D. And what will be this? It will be 106 minus 12. What is 106 minus 12? It is 94. So here I can write 94, and when you solve this, 47 ones are 47, 47 twos are 94, so D is equals to 2. So the value of D is 2. What will be the value of A? I can write A plus 2 into 2 is equals to 12. It implies A is equals to 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. So the value of A is equals to 8. Now you have A, now you have D, substitute the value to calculate the value of 29th term. Just A here and D there, and just solve this. It's very simple, basic calculation. Okay. So this is how you need to solve the 18th question of the practice sheet. It's one of the interesting question because concept is that it has 50 terms and the last term is given. So you need to understand that the last term, that means 50th term, because this AP is a finite AP. It contains only 50 terms. Okay. Do it mean that this AP cannot go after 50 terms? No. This AP can continue till infinity, but according to my requirement, I have taken only first 50 terms of this AP. Okay. So this is question number 18. First note this, then we will continue. Okay, let us now discuss question number 21 from the practice sheet. We have discussed up to question number 18, and 19th and 20th question are easy. So I am not going to discuss those two questions. You need to solve them yourself. So I am going to discuss question number 21 first. Question number 21 says, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay. So it says which term of an AP. Now from the question which term of an AP, it means we need to determine the position of the term. If I say we need to determine the position of the term, it means we need to determine the value of n. Okay, we need to determine the nth term. So question number 21. The given AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. This is the given AP. Okay, and for this given AP, we need to see which term is 132 more than the 54th term. So let us say, let nth term is 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, 54th term. So the nth term I can write tnth term, which is 132 more than its 54th term. It means if I add 132 to the 54th term, it will become equal to Tn. Okay, if I say this is T54, it represents 54th term. If I add 132 to it, it will become equal to nth term, or the term which is 132 more. Okay, so I need to determine the value of this Tn. Now, what is T54? T54 is equals to A plus 54 minus 1 into D. Okay, what is A and what is D? In this AP you can see A is 3. Okay, the value of A is 3, and what is D? D is 15 minus 3. It will give you 12. So the value of D is 12, value of A is 3. It means T54 is equals to A, that is 3 plus 54 minus 1 is 53 into D is 12. So 54th term is 3 plus 53 into 12. Let us calculate this value. 12 into 5, this is 60. So 5 is at 10th place, it is 600. Then 12 into 3 is 36. So 600 plus 36 is 636. And in 636 you need to add 3 more. So 636 plus 3 will give you 639. So this is T54, this is the value of T54. Okay. So what I can write is Tn, and we also know the value of Tn. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the value of An. What is A? A is 3 plus n we don't know, and minus 1, and D is 12. So this is Tnth term. Okay. Now use this condition, and this condition. Using these three conditions, can I write 3 plus 12n minus 12, 3 plus 12n minus 12, this is, or let us write it as it is, 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equals to T54, which is 639 plus 132. Okay, can I write this condition using this box and this box? So 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is 639 plus 132. It will give you n minus 1 into 12 is equals to, now this 639 minus 3 will give you 636. So add 132 in 636. So last one is 6 plus 2 is 8, and this is 3, and in there 3 also. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and 7, this 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is 768. Okay, so you will get 768 is n minus 1 into 12. Further solving this will give you n minus 1 is equals to 768 upon 12. Okay, and this will cancel, 12 ones are 12. Now 12 6 are 72, and you will have 4 left, 48. So 12 4s are 48. Okay, so n minus 1 is 64. It give you n is equals to 65. N is equals to 65. It means 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. Okay, it means if I add 132 to this 639, it will give you 65th term. It will give you the value of 65th term. Okay, so this question is not at all difficult, but it is a different question from what we have solved previously. So that's why I have discussed this question. So this is the solution for question number 21. Now let us discuss question number 22. Question number 22 says, two APs have same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100, and what is the difference between their 1000th term? Okay, so it says that there are two APs, there are two different APs which have same common difference. Now, just try to understand, if two APs are different, how can they have same common difference? If you have same common difference, then how can two APs be different? They should be same. No, it is not possible. Two APs can be different, but they can have a common difference same. Okay, or I should say, the same common difference can be applied to two different APs. How can two APs be different with same common difference? They can be different only if they have two APs can be different and can have same common difference if their first terms are different. Okay, if their first terms are different. So let us assume two APs which are different with same common difference. That is only possible if two APs have different first terms. Let us say I have one AP as AP1. I name the first AP as AP1, and let us say the first term of this AP is A. Let us say I have one more AP which is AP2, and the first term of this AP is B. Okay, the first term of this AP is B. Now, since the two APs have same common difference, let D is the common difference. If D is the common difference, can I write the first term of this AP1 is A, second term will be A plus D, third term will be A plus 2D, and so on. And for this AP2, the second term will be B plus D, third term will be B plus 2D, and so on. It will go till infinity. Okay, like this. So these two APs, you can see they are different, but they have the same common difference. Okay. Now, it says that for these two APs, the difference between their 100th term is 100. That is, if I take the difference between 100th term of these two APs, the difference is equal to 100. Now, for that, first let us write the 100th term of this AP as well as of this AP. So, 100th term for AP1. What is the 100th term for AP1? Let us say it is small t 100. It will be equal to A plus 100 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 99D. This is the 100th term of first AP. So similarly, what is the 100th term of second AP? 100th term of AP2. 100th term of AP2, let us write it using capital T denotation, okay, representation. So capital T, I will say this is the 100th term of AP2, it is T100, it is capital T100, it is equal to B plus 100 minus 1 into D, which is equals to B plus 99D. Okay, this is T100 for the second AP, this is T100 for the first AP. Now it is given that the difference between the two APs, the difference between the 100th term of these two APs is equals to 100. So what I can write is T100 minus T100 is equals to 100. Okay, don't get confused. in the 100th term of first AP and 100th term of second AP. Okay. So T100, this T100 is equals to B plus 99D. So in place of capital T100 I can write B plus 99D and minus the 100th term of this AP1 is A plus 99D. So here I can write A plus 99D and this is equal to 100. This is equal to 100. Okay. So from here I can see 99D and 99D will get cancelled out. You will get B minus A is equal to 100. The value of B minus A you will get as 100. Okay. Okay, so the value of B minus A is equal to 100. This is the condition that we have got from this solution. So let us say this is the first condition. Now what is our task? We need to determine the difference between 1000th term. So what is the 1000th term of first AP? Let us say it is T1000. T1000 will be equals to A plus 999D. This is the T1000th term. Okay, and 1000th term for the second AP will be, let us say, capital T1000. So it will be B plus 999D. Okay. So the difference between these two terms is T1000 minus T small t1000 is equals to B plus 999D minus A plus 999D. Okay, this is what you will get. Further solving this, 999D will get cancelled out and you will get B minus A. So what is the value of 1000th term? What is the value of difference between the 1000th term of these two APs? T1000 minus small t1000. It is B minus A. And what is B minus A? B minus A is equal to 100. So this value is also equal to 100. Okay. So 1000th term of second AP minus 1000th term of first AP is equal to 100. This is what you will get. Okay, T1000 minus small t1000 is equal to 100. Now we can have a simple observation here. This is the difference between 100th term. This is the difference between 1000th term. You can see the difference are same. This difference is also 100, this difference is also 100. If I calculate the difference between, let us say, 867th term, if I calculate the difference between any other terms, will it be 100 or different? I will say the difference will be 100 only. The difference will remain 100 only. Okay. What I can write is, let us write somewhere, let us remove this. I can write, so this was given as T100 is equals to A plus 99D. Okay. Now here I am writing a condition. The difference between let us say nth term of two APs with same common difference, the difference between nth term of two APs with same common difference is equal to the difference between their first terms. Difference is equal to the difference between their first term. So if you have two APs and you are told to calculate the difference between, let us say, 1,00,000th term, just do a simple calculation. Just subtract the first terms of both the APs. Okay, दोनों APs के first terms को subtract कर दीजिए. You can see second AP के 100th term और first AP के 100th term के value, second और फर्स्ट एपी के फर्स्ट टर्म के डिफरेंस के बराबर आ रही है। यहां पर भी b माइनस ए, फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म। तो ऐसे ही अगर मैं कोई भी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करूं, कोई भी nth टर्म का डिफरेंस लूं, तो हमेशा डिफरेंस किसके बराबर होगा? डिफरेंस ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म्स ऑफ बोथ द APs. Okay, so the difference between nth term of two APs with same common difference is equal to the difference between their first terms. This is a condition. Note this condition is important for objective questions. Okay, for example in NTSE exam you might get this kind of question, and so to solve this question quickly, just subtract the first terms, that will be the difference only. Okay, so note this condition. This is the solution for question number 22. We have learned an important concept, that is the concept of two APs with same common difference. Okay, so you can note this.